What is up, YouTube? This is FNH News Video with a brand new video talking about Dragonpad pop filter. So I actually purchased this for my Yeti. As you saw in my other video, I actually needed this as well. So I was like, you know what? Let's get it. It's one of the recommendation items, so I was like, you know what? I'm going to get it and give it a shot. I've had prior ones that I've purchased for other products. They weren't either really good or very durable, but let's see. Again, this was recommended to me. I actually did just very little research on this. I was like, you know what, let me just get right into it, get the feel of it, because I know how overall they feel, how the good quality ones are and whatnot. And yeah, let's get right from this. So, purchased on Amazon, $13. Links will be in the description below for you guys to check out. And yeah, so let's see. It's just a regular cardboard box like it normally would be. I'm just going to open it to show you guys overall how the product is. And let me just throw the thing away. So, damn. So this is it overall. Damn, that's actually pretty impressive. I've never felt something with like this type of quality. They're usually like either plastic or something else, or they're not too bendable. This is like overall steel, I believe, or metal, and it's again pretty bendable. It has a good quality texture to it. It's very soft over here, so I could definitely see my mic quality overall, with the exception of the Yeti itself as well, increase significantly or cut out the excessive noises that aren't required or needed because of it. And it's actually pretty damn impressive. I'm actually very surprised. $13. This feels very high quality for $13. Wow. So yeah, it has like an adjustable side over here where you can obviously put on any mic you want. It doesn't have to be just the Yeti. It could be any mic overall that you want. Overall, it has a very good feel to it and very good quality. So yeah, I would definitely recommend it. You can see the Yeti video as well to see how overall you can estimate how it will fit. But yeah, overall, I'm very surprised and overall, very good quality. I like it. Yeah, overall, if you guys like the video, definitely give it a thumbs up. If you have any comments, questions, or concerns, let me know in the comment section below. And other than that, FNH out. Peace.